Donald Trump isn't the federal law, if you will. His executive orders only cover the national government, if you will. But what he's trying to do with the social and cultural issues here is expand it beyond his executive order to cut funding to the states. That's inappropriate. Now, I will say this. We are in uncharted territory. Because if you look at Title IX says nothing about transgendered athletes, men playing with women, women playing with men. It says that you cannot discriminate based on sex to bar someone from playing sports. So does that mean even young girls who want to play football or under Title IX are free to do that, and vice versa? So the administration wants to get it on in the court system to get a ruling that says transgendered athletes, which is a new issue for college sports and any sport, wants to determine, wants the courts to determine essentially what a man is and what a woman is, and where do transgendered athletes fit into that.
Mick, do you think that the Governor Mills expected this to go this far?
Oh, absolutely.
You did?
I think she probably wanted it just as much as Trump did. Scott's right about one thing. I mean, executive orders are not law. He's right about that, but they do tell the executive branch how to function and what to do. And there's a really good argument that that executive order would instruct the Department of Education not to send money to Maine, and Maine would probably end up suing the federal government over that anyway. So they're going to go to court anyway. They want the battle. They feel really good. By the way, I think the UK just decided this yesterday, saying that, you know, a transgender woman is not a woman, and the Trump team wants the same battle.
But you have to have a legal basis to cut federal funding to programs and distribute them to the various states.
But an executive order would provide the base for at least the argument for doing it.
Well, expanding out to the states is one thing. Those executive orders won't cover states, and you can't cut funding without a legal, legitimate basis, because you still have a set of federal laws that you have to follow. We still have anti-discriminatory laws. You can't discriminate, you can't retaliate. And so what do you do with that set of laws?